No, you see the eco bio booster. This is a feed booster. A wonderful eco products, organic substance that's growing these birds you're seeing here. You can see how they're growing. Yes. This is the wonderful eco substance. Just 5 weeks. 5 weeks. Let's wait it. make use of this product. This is Eco Cure. This is wonderful organic medication for any form of coccidiosis, any stage of coccidiosis. Just 4 ml to 20 liters of water. This will take care of any coccidiosis effects in your poultry farm and give your poultry birds room to grow bigger and healthier. This is our feed booster here. You can see this is a powerful organic plant and animal product that helps to maximize the nutritional value of your poultry feed. Are you using commercial feed? You want your feed to be richer. This is what you're going to use to mix in their feed and get the maximum result. Cure. Let me give you our organic substance. Eco Bio Booster. You see it? Eco Bio Booster. This is liquid organic substance. It's an organic product. Are you into organic product farming? You want to maximize their profit without any synthetic medication. This is the product for you. Please make use of this product today. This is 5 liters, only 55,000 naira, and it can take care of your 500 birds effectively. You get maximum weight, maximum result, no disease at all, no disease outbreak. See it. Make your recommendation, make your payment today and get it tomorrow. Within 24 hours, it is already on your doorstep. This is a powerful organic product. See it. The Eco Bio Booster. The feed booster is here. The Cure is here. Any of them. So let us weigh this best. Let's bring the product. Weigh this best. You see it. You see. Just 5 weeks. You can see 5 weeks broiler. You see it. See their legs. 5 weeks. Just 5 weeks broiler. See the head, see the female one, and see the female one. Just 5 weeks. 5 weeks. Let me show you the feed. Let me show you the feed. You can see their feed. It's organic feed. Just organic feed. You can see it. Let's see that. See there. You can see there. Let's see there. Just some medications and food. Medications and food at the same time. Echo coccidia for coccidiosis of every stage. Both the first stage, second stage of coccidiosis, and third stage. That is when they are dropping blood. This will clear it and give your poultry the maximum potential to grow. Please share these videos to reach more poultry farmers. Those that like good things will always follow them. Share this video to reach more poultry farmers, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Join our channel community membership so that you can get unlimited access on how to run your poultry and livestock animals profitably. This is where we are. If you have any question regarding this topic or any other topic, are your poultry birds having issue right now? Are you having spotted growth? You're having infections outbreak in your poultry, or your birds are not laying egg the way it's supposed to lay, the way you expect it to lay? Drop it on the comment section. Tell me where you're watching this video from. Let me also start from there to help you out from your business. This is our business. Thank you. Eco Bio Booster. This is feed booster. Buy the liquid one for up to date good health for your poultry birds. Don't miss it. Just 55,000 naira, 1 gallon of 5 liters. It can serve up to 500 birds. And once it's over, it is over. Don't blame anyone. Keep your birds away. This one just climbed. This little one just climbed by itself. You can see the scale. This little one. This is just 4 weeks. You can see it. 4 weeks is giving us 2.5 kg. You can see it. Just jumped on itself by itself to the seat. This is only 4 weeks, and it's giving us 2.5 kg. It just jumped by itself on the scale. Nobody placed it there. Just jump by. It's not the scale and jump. 4 weeks. This is. There are 3 sets of birds here. We have 3 weeks. We have 4 weeks, and we have 5 weeks. They are all here. Different breeds. We have Cobb here. We have Rose 308, and we have Abo Aka here. They are all here in the same pen. Different stage, different age, and different breed. But after breeding, we place them together here. They are all eating together here. You can see them here. You can see the 5 weeks. See the 5 weeks here. You can see the 5 weeks. 4 weeks are here. 3 weeks are here also. They are all together. We are rearranging them in the same pen, using them to test our boosters and our medications. At the same time, our new feed. This feed is coming out in the market by first week of January. So we're going to see this feed. It's going to be Eco Bio Broiler Super Starter, Broiler Grower, Broiler Finisher, and Eco Bio Layers feed. It's coming out in the market. Wait for the feed. And if you have any question regarding this topic, ask on the comment section. If you want training on broiler, feed formulation, hatchery, any of them, please let me know on the comment section. Send me a message on my WhatsApp on this line that is showing on the screen right away. Please, let's stop this video here. It's getting too long. You have seen the birds. You have seen Let me weigh one of them again so that you can see one of them. You can see the feed. This is our own feed. You can see the feed here. This is the feed we produce for our birds. You can see it. See the feed, practical. You see it? Are you seeing it? This is the feed we produce for our birds. This is finisher. Broiler finisher feed. You can see it. You can see how they're enjoying the feed. You can see them. Let us weigh some of them. Only few of them, please. Only few. Let me weigh a few of them, please. Some of them don't allow to be. They don't clamp on the scale. Some will jump out now. See, I want to jump out. You cannot allow me, please. Doesn't want to stay. See it. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing my hand is off? See it. Are you seeing it? This is 4.5 kg, 5 weeks. 4.5 kg, 5 weeks. Are you seeing it? 4.5 kg at 5 weeks broiler. 4.5 kg. You can see it. Just 5 weeks. Not yet 6 weeks. You can see their feed. See their feed here. Are you seeing their feed? This is made by us. You can see their feed. See it here. 4.5 kg. Just jump out. See them. See the broiler. See it going. See it. See it. Are you seeing it? Stop the video here. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers and drop your questions. They have eco boil booster in this water they are taking. See them enjoying their feed. See them here. Please stay tuned and wait for the next video loading in the next channel.